These simple rules plus the 50 moving average will make you a ton of money if you can master and apply them well. In this day and age, if you don't have a rule-based strategy, then that is a very big mistake. A rule-based strategy allows you to fight off your emotions, hence making crystal clear decisions. Alright, with that aside, let's head on to the charts, but before we do that, don't forget to subscribe because it helps out our team continue producing great content for you guys. We shall start with a bullish example. Alright guys, let's load our first chart. Okay, this is an H4 chart for AMD Corporation. Guys, it should be noted that this indicator plus the strategy will work perfectly in any market, including the stock market, forex market, and even indices. For us to take a buy trade, a few conditions have to be met. The first condition is we look for a formation of a new high above the 50 moving average. It should be noted that the price that forms the new high should be moving from below the moving average to above the moving average. As you can see right here, this is the old high and price has moved from below to above the moving average, forming our new high right here. That means our first condition has been met. Then the second condition is we wait for a pullback close to the 50 moving average or a pullback that touches the 50 moving average. As you can see right here, we had a pullback to the 50 moving average. We said it can be to the 50 moving average or close to the 50 moving average. In this scenario, we have the pullback to the 50 moving average, meaning our second condition has been met. The third condition is the pullback must be at the point of value. This simply means a level that has been previously tested twice in the past. Guys, as you can see right here, this level has been previously tested twice in the past, right here and right here, meaning this is a very important point of value. That means our third condition has been met. The last condition is we wait for a candlestick confirmation signal. As you can see right here, price formed a morning star-like signal. Let me first zoom in such that you can see this point clearly. As you can see, this is the morning star-like signal. So when that happens, it means we have seen our confirmation signal. So we simply place our entry right here, our stop loss below the low, then we target a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. Guys, as you can see, the trade worked out as expected. So let's look at our second illustration. This is an H4 chart for American Movil. The first condition is we look for a new high above the 50 moving average. As you can see right here, this is our old high. Then prices close below the 50 moving average, then pushing through, creating our new high right here. That means our first condition has been met. Then the second condition is wait for a pullback close to the 50 moving average or a pullback that touches the 50 moving average. In this scenario right here, we had a pullback close to the 50 moving average, as you can see right here. That means our second condition has been met. Then the third condition is the pullback must be at the point of value. As you can see right here, this point has been tested almost thrice in the past, right here and here, even here. It means this is a very strong point of value, meaning our third condition has been met. And the last condition is we wait for a candlestick confirmation signal. As you can see right here, we had an engulfing signal. This means all our conditions have been met. So we simply place our entry right here, our stop loss below the low, and we target a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. As you can see, the trade worked out as expected. Guys, as you can see, this strategy is very simple and very effective and can make you a ton of money if you follow all the rules to the dot. Now let's look at our last illustration. It will be a sell trade. This is an H4 chart for Snapchat Corporation. So for us to take a sell trade, we wait for a new low to be formed below the 50 moving average. Guys, as you can see right here, this is the old low, then prices closed above the 50 moving average, then pushed below the 50 moving average, creating our new low. This means our first condition has been met. Then the second condition is we wait for a pullback that touches the 50 moving average. As you can see right here, prices touch the moving average. The third condition is the pullback must be at the point of value. As you can see right here, this level has been tested almost thrice in the past, right here and here and here, meaning this is a very strong point of value. And the last condition is we wait for a candlestick confirmation signal. As you can see right here, we had a bearish harami, which is a candlestick sell signal. So we simply place our entry right here, our stop loss above the high, then we target a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. As you can see, prices took off like crazy. Guys, this strategy is very powerful because it's a rule-based strategy. Rule-based strategies are very effective and very simple to apply. So guys, go ahead to backtest this strategy. If you gain the confidence in it, you can always go live. I think that will be it for today. As always, invest safe.